So by default, what you see here is the events in your particular calendar. So sometimes you might want to view the calendar of other people to make sure that they're available or not. So for this, what they have to do is they have to set their calendar as a public in a certain way. So over here, you can see that there's an option called sets for people. So what you can simply do is click here and type in the email address of the person who has the Google Calendar maintained. So I'm selecting my second account right here, and as soon as I click on it, or if you were to type on it, you can see that you see all of the schedule of the other person. You know when this person is busy around. So the other person has set the calendar to only show the time and not the title of the name, and that is why you see it like this. Otherwise, you would see the names as well. So depending on the permission level, you'll be able to see the events like this. And now you can see that you can go around, you cannot reschedule their event, that is not there. You can click on it and see the timing as well. And you can see that the event is private. And if you don't want to see that, you simply click on the close button right here and the event is not there anymore. So this is a temporary solution to how one can access the calendar out of other people, as you can see, and see their schedule as well. And that is how you can see others' calendar temporarily inside of Google Calendar so that it helps you to decide a certain time for things. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.